In the NBA playoffs, 7-game series, when a team goes down 0-2, they only come back to win the series 7% of the time. Stuart Scott, Mike Wilbon, John Barry, Hall of Famer Irvin Magic Johnson. That's what the Denver Nuggets were facing away at Staples Center against the Lakers. Guys, if you were Coach George Karl, one word that you would have told your team going out onto the court.
Play the same way you played in game one, because they played a great game.
That's right.
And I'm going to give you a few words. And I thought what happened, Stuart, was this. The Lakers executed in game one better in the fourth quarter, but in game two, Denver executed, and that's why they won the game in the fourth quarter, JB.
Magic took all of your words.
He can take my word. Yeah, he can take mine. You're done, too.
All right, game two from L.A. Second quarter, Magic, you called out the Laker big men. Did they hear you?
They heard me, and they played great, especially in the first half. There's Lamar Odom with the slam. Also, Bynum got into the game and played great as well in the first half.
Off the miss, Carmelo offensive board, lays it in. Later in the fourth, Kobe guarded by Carmelo. Magic, how do you do this with the hand in your face?
Oh, that confidence. That's why he's the best closer in basketball and the best player in basketball.
2.5 to go. Chauncey Billups drives, misses. Carmelo Anthony offensive rebound and putback. 103-101 Denver. Jump ball. Lakers control it, but Ariza loses it. Check out the replay here.
What's J.R. Smith doing?
Should have been a violation.
That's a violation.
So here we go. Late in the game, Lakers down 3. Derek Fisher, he hit a big 3 in game one. Could not get that one. The Denver Nuggets beat the L.A. Lakers 106-103. They even the series at a game apiece. Kobe Bryant had 32 points, 5 rebounds, not enough, as Carmelo Anthony has his 5th straight game in the playoffs where he has scored at least 30 points. That is a Denver Nugget record.